Is it frustrating when the audio and video are out of sync? But don't worry, we've got a few solutions. VLC Media Player is a versatile tool that can help you fix minor sync issues. Here's how. Launch your VLC Media Player. Open the MP4 file with the sync issue. Go to Tools. Click on Track Synchronization. Adjust the audio delay. Once the sync is corrected, close the window. If the issue persists, it might be related to audio problems on your system. Go to Settings, System. Click on Troubleshoot and select Other Troubleshoot. Click on Run. Update audio drivers. Open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. Check Speaker Properties. Open Control Panel. Click on Sound. Right-click your default device and select Properties. Go to the Advanced tab and uncheck Give Exclusive Mode Applications Priority. For more severe sync issues, a dedicated video repair tool like Remo Video Repair can be helpful. Download and install Remo Video Repair. Open the software and add the corrupt file. Click the Repair button to start the repair process. Once repaired, preview the video and save it to your desired location. By following these methods, you should be able to fix most audio-video sync issues. If you're still facing issues, click on the link for more solutions.